y'all, welcome back to my channel. So as you can see, I just got out work and we're just gonna do a quick clean up so I can get ready for bed. So this is a clean with me, nighttime, get ready with me, get ready for bed, whatever you want to call it, video. So I hope y'all enjoy. Yes, my voice is still messed up, but it'll be back. Okay, enjoy. Thanks for watching.
I stay anxious for nothing, but I don't wanna wait till there's nothing left. I don't wanna stay here and be left behind. I wanna make it. I stay busy thinking about you. I'm focused on following you, 'cause you said you're coming soon. Coming like a thief in the night, yeah, yeah. Turn the relief into light, yeah, yeah. I look at how you paid the price when you gave your life so I could have mine. So I'ma do what you say, and I pray I can walk in your ways. I'm so grateful for you and your grace. God forbid I ever trip and be led astray. No way.
What? Sound like you're backwards. What? One of them things, so I don't care which one. Pump your brakes. I know y'all didn't think I was about to show everything. No, not me. This ain't that channel. Okay, back to the program. Ooh, you can't forget that comfy granny robe. Okay. We ain't trying to be cute. We trying to be comfy. Okay. Back to the program. Bless me. Okay. I'll spare y'all on the sounds on this part. But y'all know what's going on. I did just sneeze, okay? So, we gotta be clear, because we gotta get ready for bed, okay? So, this is the last step, and then we going to bed, okay? Wash your hands, go to bed.
For me, tell me when you die for me. Tell me what you cry for me. I didn't try love, I didn't try trust, I didn't try anything and everything. But when it came down, it was only about the lust. They never really loved me.
Come back.
I can be your man, everything you want, everything that you really need. And when it all falls down, baby, don't run now. You can just call on me. I'm your everything. You don't gotta lie to me, and you don't gotta run from me, and you don't gotta hide from me. Baby, tell me what you need. Baby, tell me what you need. You can tell me what you need. You know you my everything. Know that I love the way that you move your hips every time the sun come on. And you don't gotta worry about these people that be hating on you, baby. You can cut them off. And you know that I got you, you ain't gotta worry about a thing. I'm just tryna let you know. And every time you call, I'll be there, and I'm promising I will never let you go. Baby, you can cut them off if they make it difficult. If they got a problem with it, tell them they can call my phone. Promise that I'm loading bullets as I hear the ringtone. Knocking on the door, gonna be shots for the day gone. baby.